Pop your trunk. And then take out the spare tire. So there's this little trap door right here. You just pull this up, exposing your spare tire and the tools. Set the tools to the side. And you just take the donut out, or spare tire, depending on what you got going on in here. Cut that out. And then set that aside, and that'll expose what we have to drill down here. Alright, let's just open this up. And here's the instructions. Come with it. So we're gonna follow these instructions and install it. Dad's saying to put these two holes on the flat spot of the, it's like
in between the two knockouts.
Two drain plugs.
Drain plugs.
Okay, so like the flat part. So like this part's flat.
Yeah.
Before it goes up.
And then we balance it out.
So he's using a floor jack to jack up the hitch to hold it while we drill all the holes. This is the 3/8 angle drill attachment with keyless chuck that we got from Harbor Freight to install the trailer hitch on the 3G Eclipse, and you can pick this up at your local Harbor Freight. So he has this 90-degree drill attachment on here with what's this bit size?
3/8.
3/8 drill bit.
According to the directions here, use a 3/8 bit. All through. That's where she wants it.
Right there.
Right there. That's the middle one.
Right, so my dad found these in our spare washers in the garage.
3/8.
3/8 washers, and they're thicker than the ones that are provided, so we're gonna double up the washers.
Is it sticking out?
I don't know.
Yep. So you're gonna have to push that in for me.
Okay.
3 7/16.
Like, where are you measuring?
Off of right here.
Okay.
See that? I'm projecting this line right here of this square. This line right here on this square. I'm projecting that over here. That's what we got. And the same on the other side.
Okay.
One right there, one right there, one right there. Hole drilled in here. It's not in the right spot. So we can drill a hole through it using the unit bit. Looking for a 3/8 hole right here. I'm sorry. You can see it says 3/8 right there. So this whole bit is 3/8. So once we get it through here, through the hole, this bit will then move over, whatever it is, to center itself through the hole that's in that steel plate. It's a 1/4 inch hole, whereas this tin foil is not going to survive. It's going to give it up to the other hole. There you go.
See the hole he just drilled right there? It's kind of hard underneath. This is a drill is in the way, and so it's gonna come through. There you go. So those two are drilled.
3/8. So I got 1, 2, fourth one.
Okay.
Or the third one from the end. Well, then we'll use the ones they got.
What it came with? We don't have to use two of them?
I don't think we need to use 2 of them.
Okay. Yeah, because they're thick enough.
Thick enough.
They're saving money with the other ones.
Of course. It's all about weight of the fastener.
Okay, so
So can you hold that in so I can hand screw this?
yeah. 9/16.
Yeah. Put an adapter bit on this little nut driver so she won't drive to yield. She'll rattle out, and then we have to go back and torque it. Okay.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is put this here.
So you're gonna hold that down.
So you want
Oh,
to hold?
you can do it. You can do both of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's got a wrench underneath. He's got a wrench underneath, and then what size wrench do you have underneath?
9/16 and a box wrench. 9/16, and then we have a socket here.
Okay. So we didn't put the lock washers on the back. One's closest to the front of the car, because they won't fit. Before we started torquing it down, oh my gosh. I'm holding it down with the wrench.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's taking the jack off, I guess. The jack came off. Go to check the 45 foot-pounds or pound-feet. So it's completely installed. That's what it looks like underneath. So it's got all the bolts. Torque to spec at 45 foot-pounds. There's the two underneath there. And then this is what it looks like inside. So you got 8 bolts, torque to 45 foot-pounds. Now I just gotta put the spare tire back in, and that'll finish the job. Spare tire's back in, and then you just tighten it down with this. Put the tools back in the wheel, and then I had a tire inflator that came with the car. And just close the cardboard. And it's nice and finished.